Hello, Kevin Hind here, and in this presentation we're going to show you how to use the Bookmarks or Favourites toolbar in order to navigate throughout the Blackboard learning environment. At Durham University this is known as Durham University Online or Duo, and what we're going to do is show you how to navigate within Duo using both Firefox, Chrome and also Internet Explorer. So the first thing to notice, we're going to start with Firefox, and we're going to, you probably see in front of you, there is no Bookmarks toolbar. So how can you show the Bookmarks toolbar? Well, in Firefox the way you do it is that you click on the Firefox tab here and go to Options, if I click on the right button, and then Bookmarks Toolbar. And up pops this little toolbar just below the navigation bar, and you can see already I've got some bookmarks which I put here, which are useful for me. And the way to create a new bookmark is very straightforward. All we do is we go to the link and click on it and then drag it across. There it is. Now that's called Blackboard Learn. I want to call it Duo, so what I do is I put my cursor on it and then click on the right mouse button, click on Properties, and then just put Duo. Okay, and then save it, and lo and behold you can see it's now Duo. So I've now got that bookmark. It will allow me to land at this page, the one that you can see in front of you, and then I would log in. I'm actually going to log in now. My username and password are in there, so let's log in. So the nice thing about the bookmark toolbar, or the Favourites toolbar as they call it in Internet Explorer, is that it allows you to navigate to very, very deep levels within Duo. And I just want to show you how useful that can be. Now here we've got my courses. Now I don't use all of my courses. I just use a few of them, and in particular at the moment I'm using looking at the online induction course, so for our global learners, and it's under current courses in my instance, so I look for that. I could have chosen any of these courses that you can see as I'm scrolling down, okay, but I'm going to look at the online induction course, which I know is right down here. It's quite a way down, but we're not going to worry too much about that. There it is, online induction module. We call them modules at Durham University. Blackboard calls them courses. So all I want to do, if I just want to go to that one straight away, so I could be at any other site and then click on this link, but in order to get this, all I do is drag it. Just drag it, not, you can see it moving there all the way to that, and I drag it up to the toolbar. So I could be at the RES, the Royal Economic Society media page, I could be on Google, anywhere, Yahoo, anywhere in the web, and as long as I'm logged into Duo, and that's the key, as long as I'm logged into Duo, as long as I put in my username and password and I click on online induction module, I will go to that particular module site. Okay, but I want to, and I'll show you that in a moment. What I'm going to do though is go even deeper within the online module induction site. So here we are, I'm going to click into it, okay, and I'm going to go, I'm an instructor, you won't get all this stuff about building content and creating assessment, etc. You won't have this course management control panel, and you're unlikely to have lots of groups, but I'm looking at the September 2011 induction, and ultimately what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go within it. So, and I'm going to look at the group discussion board, and all I'm going to do is drag this particular link and put it onto the onto the bookmarks toolbar. There we are. It's called group discussion board. I could change it by just right mouse clicking and changing the group discussion board, but for the sake of this I won't bother. I could put it down as September 2011 or something like that. Okay, now so you can see already that we can navigate to quite deep levels within Duo. In fact, you can navigate really to very, very deep levels indeed. And this means that you don't have to click on a whole range of links, 5 or 6 links, in order to get to a place that you'd like to be quickly. So let's just have a look at that, and then we'll see some of the differences that you get in the way Duo looks, or the Blackboard learning environment looks, when we use this particular toolbar method to navigate. Okay, so for example, I could be on a different site, let's say the RES media page. Now I'm logged into Duo, and I've been looking at an article here on the Olympic effect, for example. Oh, that's an interesting paper. Wouldn't that be nice to put on that discussion board? I could easily just select that link and copy it. Okay, Control C, or indeed just select it and right mouse click on it and click on copy. And then I could go into the group discussion board. Now watch what happens when we do that. You'll go straight to the link because I'm already logged into Duo. I'm going to click on it and I go in. I'm right at the discussion board. Immediately what I want. I could even go even deeper within this if I wanted to. Okay, and I could then click into that discussion, add my link, paste my link in, and write a few words for this discussion forum. Notice something about this site though. It doesn't have the blue banner and all those other services that you normally see when you have the initial Duo link. I'll show you what I mean by that. This is the original Duo site, the top level site, where you get the blue banner and all the services that we have on offer. But when you click either on the online induction module or the group discussion board, that blue banner goes. Now some people might think that's a good thing because you haven't got this extra, well, some people might suggest that it's unnecessary information, because you're now at exactly where you want. And you can always navigate back, of course, if you've got the Duo the Duo bookmark on your Bookmarks toolbar. And just to show you, there's the online induction module, which should take you straight to the front page of the online induction module. Really quite a neat trick. And you can go very, very deep within Duo using the Bookmarks toolbar in Firefox. And it's just the same in Internet Explorer and Chrome. I'll quickly show you what I mean. So here's Internet Explorer. Of course, all browsers seem to look the same nowadays, but we've got Blackboard Learn. Again, you're saying, well, where's the Bookmarks toolbar? Well, in Internet Explorer they call it the Favorites toolbar, and you get it by going to this top menu and right mouse clicking and clicking on Favorites bar. Okay, and there we have the Blackboard Learning, which is my Duo. This is actually this link here, and I go straight into that. And if I wanted to alter that, just to show you, all I just do is rename it, and I'll call it Duo. To do that, all I did, just to be clear about that, is I put the cursor on and right mouse clicked and went rename. Okay, Duo. Okay, so that's all I did. Now I could take any of these links and do exactly the same as I did before, go quite deep within them, or we'll do the online discussion again, just because that's what we were using, and I'll go within it, and then we'll just go to the discussion board and just drag the link all the way up to this Favorites toolbar, and there it is. Okay, and just to show you what happens when you're using these favorites links, if you like, again it's exactly the same. You don't have the blue banner and all these services, and you might think this is a good thing. So again, you just click on it, lo and behold, we will go to the level that we really want to be at, and we go in one click. It's as simple as that. Now you notice it's taking a little bit of time for my screen to refresh. That's nothing to do with IE, and it's nothing to do with Duo. It just happens to be my computer. It seems to react very funnily with Internet Explorer. I can assure you that it does work, and there we are, it is working. Okay, it shows the inductions September 2011, which is where we wanted it to be. It's exactly the same in Chrome. In fact, for me, Chrome works very, very rapidly indeed. This is Chrome, and again, you're going to ask yourself, well, where is the, in this case, they call it a Bookmarks Toolbar, like Firefox. Well, you just click on the spanner device here, you go to Bookmarks, and it says always show the bookmarks bar, and bingo, here it is again. And you've got Blackboard Learn, you right mouse click on it, and you can then edit it very simply, and we'll call it Duo just to make it simple. And once again, you can navigate in it. Just to show you, I'll show you something slightly different. I've got I teach on this module, which is a first year module, and I'll look at, I'm always in the, so I teach micro, I'm interested in that, so I could just bring that link, just drag and drop it onto the bar, micro lectures. So whenever I've logged into Duo, I can navigate rapidly straight to the particular site that I want to be at. So here I'm at Duo, or I could be anywhere on the web, but because I've got my Bookmarks Toolbar open and I've logged into Duo, click on micro lectures, and I'm right there. Simple as that, and that makes it very rapid, and I can go even further down than that. So please make use of the Bookmarks Toolbar in Chrome or Firefox, or the Favorites toolbar in Internet Explorer. It will make your life so much easier. I hope you found this useful. Thanks very much.